Introducing the InkOne S1. A thermal press for shin guards, designed to offer precision, safety, and comfort in every press. The front control panel lets you adjust the temperature and time, allowing you to fine-tune the conditions for optimal pressing. Simply increase or decrease the values using the panel buttons and confirm with OK. Adjust the pressure precisely using the top wheel, and take advantage of its sliding base to place the shin guards easily and safely, avoiding the risk of burns. To start using the press, first cut out your printed design on sublimation paper. If necessary, trim it to perfectly match the size and shape of the shin guard. Secure the design with heat-resistant tape to keep it in place during pressing and to prevent wrinkles in the paper. Place the shin guard on the curved base of the press. Lower the pressure arm and let InkOne technology work its magic. Make every print perfect with the InkOne S1. Once the shin guards have cooled down, it's time to place the inner foam that absorbs impacts. Remove the adhesive backing and carefully bend the foam slightly, placing it on the back of the shin guard, making sure it is centered and properly aligned across the surface. At InkOne, we offer comprehensive solutions for customization and provide a full set of resources to help your business take off quickly.